Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle, originally bought here, potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Carfax one owner, very nice, Jaguar certified, low miles, 20,242. Italian racing red metallic exterior and jet interior, S trim. Price drop from $43,999, fuel efficient 28 mpg highway/20 mpg city. Nav, sunroof, heated seats, premium sound system, alloy wheels, all-wheel drive. Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,000 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Purchase with confidence. 6-year/100,000 mile premium limited warranty, 165-point inspection and reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance, vehicle history report, no deductible, balance of original 4-year/50,000 mile warranty. Vehicle reviews, top quality materials and finishes extend throughout the interior, as befits a car in this class. Cabin space is also on par, offering taller rear seat passengers a little more headroom than the Audi A6, for example, all while maintaining the XF's sleek, low roof look. Edmunds.com. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at saferegard.gov.